Sudan. Free at last.
Hey, if you want to take a photo with Kanye, please you can take a photo now. Now I'm going to play some normal music. If you want to take a photo, please take a photo with him now. This is the only time we have it. Sorry. And this is very important. If you want a CD, all the songs you heard that are new song, nobody has in Australia here. So if you want it, please come and give me your phone number. I'll call you on Wednesday and give you a CD. The CDs will be ready on Wednesday. Please come, give me your number. I'll call you on Wednesday. I'll get you a CD. Or you can call Chumbo, the new leader. You can call Chumbo. All right, this guy, he has something to say.
My last word is thank to you all. What I just need to tell you, the money we control.